everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. I'll say each sound, you repeat the sounds, and then we'll blend the word together. Stack. Stack. Spell. Spell. Skill. Skill. Slim. Scan. Snug. Good. All right. Let's roller coaster some words. The first word is lamb. Fell. Sit. It. Caught. Cut. Leg. Egg. Pot. Hat. At. Pill. Ill. Nut. Good. Okay. Now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll chop it into individual phonemes. The first word is stem. Sled. Sled. Stick. Stick. Snack. Snack. Stomp. Stomp. Slept. Slept. So when we're doing a word like slept, when we get to that p sound, we want to make sure that we're not saying puh, that we're making it voiceless. Remember, P says p, like a puff of air through that circle that we make. So we want to say p, t. Otherwise, we would be saying p, t, and that's not correct. We want p, t, just that little puff of air. Good work. Okay, get your fists ready. We're going to substitute some blends. The word is sled. Change sl to sp. Sped. The word is snip. Change sn to sk. Skip. The word is spill. Change sp to st. Still. The word is swag. Change sw to sn. Snag. The word is stan. Change st to sk. Scan. Good. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we're going to start with the ending part and add the s sound to the beginning. Remember, the word that we're adding it to, that at the beginning is going to create an S blend. So we're going to want to listen carefully for that. The word is lump. Add s to the beginning. Slump. The word is kit. Add s to the beginning. Skit. The word is whim. Add s to the beginning. Swim. The word is tuck. Add s to the beginning. Stuck. The word is lamb. Add s to the beginning. Slam. Good. Now we're going to delete the beginning sound, just the s sound. So just like when we were blending, we are deleting one sound and a blend has two. So listen carefully so you don't miss that second consonant sound after this. The word is slop. Without s, the word is lop. The word is still. Without s, the word is till. The word is slump. Without s, the word is lump. The word is spat. Without s, the word is pat. The word is skin. Without s, the word is kin. Good work today.